Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super simple, delicious oven baked chicken. It's perfect for any weeknight dinner. Before I begin, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video for me if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. All right guys, before we begin, be sure to preheat your oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I am starting with 3 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, as you can see. I'm going in by trimming off the fat. Just cut them just like this. And this is nice and clean, by the way, and pat dry. Make sure you're not using super cold chicken thigh. Allow your chicken to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes so you don't cook cold chicken thighs, okay? To make sure our chicken come out super crispy, especially the skin, you wanna pat dry your chicken. Any moisture, you wanna get rid of that. Once you're done patting it dry, I like to lift up the skin and just poke the chicken like this, okay? We actually making Sunday's dinner today, so that's why I'm using a lot of chicken today. All right guys, I'm going to transfer the chicken to a bowl for a better seasoning process. This is a lot of chicken, as you can see. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil to my chicken. Then I'm going to mix it together. Once you're done mixing it up just like so, you go in with your seasoning. I'll leave everything down below for you guys, but just to name a few, it's Creole seasoning, Old Bay seasoning. Yes, you can use Old Bay seasoning in your chicken as well. Adds a really delicious flavor to it. Also, I have some Adobo seasoning, onion and garlic powder. I have parsley, rosemary, some ground black pepper, paprika. It's going to taste so good. And I have a little bit of cumin in here as well, okay? Just keep mixing it. And now once you get to that point, you're going to lift up your chicken and lift up the skin and add the seasoning under the skin. It's gonna be juicy and flavorful, okay? Now, if you like, you can season this overnight, but today it's just going to season for about 10 minutes. My chicken has been marinating for about 10 minutes now. I am going to bake it. I have a large baking dish here. This is a 10 by 14, okay? Now I'm going to place the chicken into the baking dish, just like this. I like to fix the skin so it can bake as is, nice and beautiful. It smells delicious already. It's all the seasoning combined. Just give you that beautiful aroma. And last one, the other 3, I'll just place it into a different baking dish. All right guys, I have both trays nice and ready to go in the oven. So we're going to bake these for about 40 to 50 minutes on 400 degrees, okay? Let's do it. A lot of you guys have been asking, do I cover my chicken? No, I don't ever cover my chicken. They're just going to bake just as is. I'll see you guys back in a few. All right, guys, the chicken is ready and it's looking juicy. Come take a look. All right, guys, it's time for the taste test, and you know I'm excited because this looks absolutely juicy. Let's give it a try. Okay, juicy, perfectly cooked. Oh my God, you'll see this? You'll see the juice? Yes, ma'am. Cheers. This is absolutely 1,000 out of 10. No lie. So juicy. The skin is nice and crispy. I actually baked this for 50 minutes. It's so saucy. This is absolutely the perfect baked chicken recipe out there. And all the sauce you guys see me pour over it is from the chicken. So by not covering it, it's still going to be nice and juicy and saucy. So yummy. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as I did. If you enjoy it, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know you're enjoying these type of recipes. Also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.